It's a 2015 Nissan Versa Note. Economical doesn't have to be boring. Open up the hatch on this fuel-efficient, roomy and fun-to-drive Versa Note. It comes with all the amenities you need: auxiliary audio input, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, power mirrors, air conditioning, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. This from Edmunds.com. The Versa Note isn't designed to press you back against the seat during hard acceleration or thrill you with its handling around turns. This small hatchback is neither quick nor sporty, but it does take you from point A to point B, and considering its low price, its cabin accommodations are respectable. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.